Talk. Sawubona, ngicela niswelise uLunga Duma. Ngamthola la ku-TikTok. He was advertising about business investments. So he came up with the idea of piggery farming, and I was interested. Ngamwhatsappa eceleni. I was later introduced to a group of 17 people, and our monthly contributions kwakuzoba u-550, and le contribution kwakumele siyenze for 12 months, and le investment kakuzoba eya 18 months, lapho kwakumele sisithole ama-dividends ethu, which was June 30th of 2025. Akazange abuyele kuthina. Mesimbuza ukuthi when are we getting the dividends, the final into esagcina sikhulume nayo, it was June 30th. Uthe usudlulile ku-June 30th akabuyanga kuthina, as we are a group of 16 people. Amukho kule group le abantu abawu-16 aseyithulile imali yakhe. Sicela nisize bandla abuyise imali zethu esasiyifakile, because clearly ayikho le piggery farming. Okunye ukuthi asikaze siyibone le piggery farming, asikaze asitshengise iy'thombe eyakule farm. Amukho okule group oseke wayibona le farm abekhuluma ngayo. So at this point sibuka ukuthi njengoba engabuyeli kuthina in the group, akabuyeli kuthina, ithina esimkhumbuzayo. Initially kwakhona u-admin, nayo lo admin akasatholakali all of a sudden. So ngicela nisikhulumele naye bandla abuyise imali zethu individually. Sasifaka u-550 for 12 months, and sesimsendele nama-proof of payment. So yonke into isingakuyena, all he needs to do is just return imali sesiyifakile bandla. Ngicela nisisize. Sawubona, ngicela niswelise uLunga Duma. Ngamthola la ku-TikTok. He was advertising about business investments. So he came up with the idea of piggery farming, and I was interested. Ngamwhatsappa eceleni. I was later introduced to a group of 17 people, and our monthly contributions kwakuzoba u-550. And
ubhuti omdala lo yini madoda, yini madoda, kuhle yini uma uthi uyakhuluma ekhaya bangakuzwa kahle ngenxa ukuthi ayikho lento le, ayikho lento yokuthenga. It's gonna be even worse manje. Economy nje ithathe enye direction esingayazi. Zama kancane mfethu, indoda mayibe nento ephefumulayo egameni layo, iba noma nenkukhu, noma ube nembuzi, noma imvu, noma inkomo. Ezinye izinto they are very expensive to start. Qala ngepackage yethu ey'ngulube, ngena kule package yethu ey'ngulube 5,000 5 hour 1 2 3 4 5 u-invest just for 18 months, and then umnani so kickstart ijeni yakho siyavaya mfethu. 500 imali encane kakhulu, so 20 sisha 120 ngenyaka, 100 ngonyaka, 120,000 ngonyaka. Ivuliwe month end yaka May, so sijoin isabantu futhi. Lalela ke mosafuna ukujoin iLunga Duma business stock fair bafethu, 500 imali encane kakhulu, so 20 sisha 120 ngenyaka, 100 ngonyaka, 120,000 ngonyaka. Ivuliwe month end yaka May, so sijoin isabantu futhi. Drop shipping, uyezwa into eshaya imali ngeindlela eyisimanga mfethu. Le yanda ayidingi ukuthi uyekele emsebenzini, le yanda ayidingi isikhathi esitheni mfethu. You just need to set up a website and find ilokhunjana i-supplier.
Hi everybody, sanibonani, welcome to my channel. So over there ku TikTok kune account evuliwe laphana where they are exposing people that, you know, possibly scammed other people. You know what, guys? I think right now abantu abamnyama, they are realizing ukuthi even when you are working, you need something that can help you to sort of supplement your income, because obviously we are never really satisfied with what we earn from our employers, and so many scammers are playing on that because they know people want to find something that can help them to make cash quick and on the side, you know, besides your 9 to 5. Now, you guys, I mean, after kwakuyini leyana Triple M, I realized ukuthi hayi cha, asikho ischeme se-investment njena that really works. Whoever starts the scheme is looking out for themselves at the end of the day, and there's going to be a time where umuntu runs with imali yakhe. So lo bhuti lona, there are ladies that are claiming that he took their money, maybe invest of 500 rand or 550 a month, and now they are supposed to get, their dividends, and they never got them. And you guys, listen, it's a complicated scheme that he was running, but he was trying to say that he is helping people to start farming. Athi mawufuna ukuqala ukuba yi-farmer, investor with him, and then yena uzokusiza ukuthi uthenge iy'ngulube. Guys, listen. Mina, sometimes I'm so happy because I have trust issues, because all of these traders and and people that advise people about investments ngivele nje ngibone ukuthi we isigebengu lesi sobaleka nemali yami. So even lo bhuti-ke bathi ubaleke ney'mali zabo ngoba akasaphenduli ifoni. Maumbuka lo bhuti, the videos that he was posting, you guys, I can see how people will be convinced ukuthi maybe this is something legit, even though mina ngiyawabona ama-red flags, like when he's posting that video and he's showing them ingulube, and then at ene, this is my farm that is here, but he doesn't really say where the farm is. You can see ukuthi umuntu nje ohambile waya somewhere where there is a farm, and pretended as if a farm, like it looks that way to me. I would have seen a red flag mina with that video. But the other videos, I can see ubukeke ngathi ubhuti nje uthembekile, ongeke aze abaleke nemali yakho. Kodwa-ke bathi ubalekile ubhuti, ubaleke ney'mali zabantu, okay? So-ke bhuti lungaduma, bayakufuna ku-TikTok, bathi ubaleke ney'mali zabo, awubathinte ubuyise-ke. At least babuyisele lo 500 rand babo. Guys, imagine 500 rand times 12 and times 17, or 17 people. And that is just one group. And maybe he had other groups. So, hayi abantu bakwazi ukuqala i-game. Okay, if I wasn't scared, I would start it too. But-ke ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizohlalaphi-ke after that, ngoba phela abantu bazokuhunta down befuna iy'mali zabo. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be careful with your money. If you have 500 rand that you can give to somebody, just save it yourself and then start whatever it is that you want to start. Okay? Don't give it to some guy. Okay? Don't give it. Don't do it. Okay? Thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.